video na to, pag-uusapan natin ang biggest question ng mga newbie at gustong yumaman ka agad. 1 million in 1 month, is this possible and realistic? Why is Forex overhyped? Forex can give you a large amount of money. Yun ang dahilan kaya overhyped siya. So, these are marketing titles only which will hype the beginners to join them and enroll their academy. This is not Forex trading. This is not how it should be, and this is not how it should be delivered. Pagdating sa ganyan, minsan karamihan kasi dito, demo account lang yung pinapakita nila na may malaking profit para ma-entice yung mga zero knowledge na mag-enroll sa kanila. Pero in return, in reality, yung pera nila is nanggagaling lang sa enrollment fee, hindi naman talaga sa trading. Okay, kung ikaw yung naghahanap ng easy money, wag ka na mag-forex, okay? Hanap ka na lang doon sa mga peking coaches. Save yourself. Don't get overhyped and don't trust a person easily. We're talking about money here.